Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Getting ready to post my first video of 2022. Been out 3 times now on the boat. Picked it up 4th of January. And we didn't record the first trip just because we just wanted to try the boat out, see how it was going to run. We did fish, we did catch some fish, but just didn't record. I didn't want to have the extra hassle of the cameras and everything. Trying to learn the boat and figure it out. The second time we went, we caught fish. Both those trips were in January. Cold water, we caught fish. However, the camera I used, for some reason, is losing clips or corrupting clips, and they just didn't turn out right. So I went back to my old camera that you are on now at the GoPro Hero 7. So we recorded the trip. My buddy Pat, he caught 3 and I hadn't caught any, and I was starting to get frustrated. Honestly, I didn't know what I was doing wrong. We couldn't form a pattern though. He caught one on a tube bait. He caught one on a 6-inch Hitman shaky head, and he caught one on a chatter tube. If you don't know what a chatter tube is, Google it on YouTube. There's a lot of folks doing that. Basically taking a chatter bait. I don't have one right here, but basically this is a swim bait. Basically taking the skirt off of it, taking a tube and working it up onto the bait, and that is the trailer and the skirt combined. And he made one of those up. Caught a fish. So 3 fish, 3 baits, no pattern. So I finally caught some, and I'll show you what I caught them on. And I actually caught some on the previous trip with this same bait. And this is a, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that or not. That is a Northland. Here's the package that came out of Minnow. I'll get that right in a minute. They come 2 to a pack. Here's another color I haven't tried yet. 2 to a pack, $3.99 at Walmart. You can get them online a little bit cheaper than that. I need to get some more because I just retied my last one on them. And I caught those on, this is the Bass Pro Shops Panfish Elite. This is the 7'2" light action. Got my Pflueger President reel on there. And it is spooled with Trout SOS 6-pound line. Trout Magic makes it. Up to 6-pound mono, that's the line I use. It's very strong. It's a lot stronger than what it's rated. Even a 2-pound line, I've caught some pretty big fish with 2-pound line. So anyway, here's the introduction to this video. We're gonna take you out. It gets a little windy towards the end. We actually had to call it quits because the wind was blowing us back up the river. And so here we go. Finally. Ain't a monster, but it's a fish. That tube. Well, no skunk for you. Oh! Look. Man. That was a big one.
Why would they not be right here? That little Sorry.
When we get where?
Yeah, it kind of lean, kind of goes in the water down. Look at that.
Mm-hmm. Dark stripe on it.
You're all right. Look how dark. Cut it back on. Up there in this deep water. On the trout SOS. On the trout SOS.
That's a nice one. I ain't making no chatter tube. I tie a tube on. I ain't making no chatter tube. It's nice. You want your picture?
Yeah, I seen the sister. Oh, the chatter tube. I love it.
I don't know what I'm doing wrong today, man.
I've caught 3 fish on 3 different baits. I've not caught the same fish on the same bait. Damn, I ain't gonna skank it.
No skunk today.
Rainbow trout.
Caught him on that rainbow trout. Thank you, fish.
You needed that.
I needed that, yeah. I was starting to just like, you know, we can go home anytime now. I got alcohol to drink. On my little rainbow. I'm gonna have to get some more of them. I think I got 3 left after this one. They pretty deep behind that island. Huh? I figured it'd be pretty shallow back there.
It is for a crawfish. When it's low and it's shallow, you can try to dig.
Yeah, that was a good call coming down here, I guess.
Yeah, I made a bad call for me.
Well, this one's nicer.
What?
Feels like it anyway. He's pounding something. Oh shit. Shit. That's why I was catching them big brown trout on. Me and Blake went. It's blowing us back up the river. Yeah. Guess they went up after we come down. They're in the front pocket of that coat. Touchdown.